koutou, Kor XXX. She is Tessa.
E mō rātou Winton School, Kor XXX. She is Ella. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramere the 23rd of June.
Okay, let's get into te kupu or te wiki.
This week's word is hua, which is te reo for freedom.
What hua are you playing with at playtime?
Ka pai, on health and safety news.
Hi VIZ VESTS. Most students are wearing them to and from school. Please do likewise.
Reminder to stay off the muddy patches of grass as the mud travels into the classrooms.
The ropes are out of bounds as they need some places replaced. Please stay off these until you are told they can be used again.
No birthdays today, Winton School, but plenty more on the way.
Here's today's notices.
Please make sure you wait in your classroom for the heat-ups tray to be delivered to your class by the heat-up monitors.
You are not to go into the heat-up room or stop the monitors on the way to delivering the heat-up trays.
Reminder that the library is open today.
Senior Kapa Haka is on today in room 8 at lunch. Miss Bradley and Miss Osborne are so excited to see you there.
Mr. T's problem-solving group, please meet in the library after morning tea. Powell's meeting in the library at morning tea.
Year 7-8 basketball teams have a practice at lunchtime in the courts.
Reminder that there is a camp meeting at 10:45 for the Year 5 in the library.
That's it from us.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today from everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite a popo. See you next week.
Haere rā and stay sharp, Winton School.